Right now I'm trying to find my way to a Serbian farmers market. Should be right around this corner here. Should not be far. Let's check it out. Oh, dude. This is another small part of the city. It's not the inner walking street, but it's still beautiful. Oh, look at the pavement. It looks nice. It looks very nice. Well, the pavement hurts my feet a little bit, but it's beautiful. So old. I like it. Look at these buildings. Check this out. This looks awfully a lot like the Sibley fountain in Sarajevo. Check this out. It looks exactly, almost exactly like the Sibley fountain. That's weird. Alright, cool. Alright, check it out. Check it out. Small, but there are a few sellers. It's not much. It's not much. Everything's empty here. Everything's empty. Why? Why? Zdravo. Zdravo. It's empty here. No sellers here. Okay. You speak English?
Yeah.
Everything empty. No sellers here. Empty. Where is everyone? Nobody. Okay. He didn't get me. He didn't get me. Hello, my friend.
Hello.
You speak English? Little bit. Perfect. What is it? What is it?
That is
Nuts? No, not nuts. Tattoo watch. Tattoo watch. What is it?
natural.
Can you eat? Or can you grow?
If you cook,
Cook. To cook. Okay. Do we have anything what's not to cook? I want to give it away to somebody. No? That's good? Nah.
maybe that.
Yeah, alright. I check it out. It's also your store?
Anything.
Yeah? Oh, nuts. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect.
This is wheat.
Oh, yeah, I tried. Ladies first. Ladies first. Oh, dude. I remember this from Sarajevo. It's great. Do you sell like 100 gram?
Yes.
100 gram? Okay, give me 100 gram from this. 100 gram.
Okay.
100. And what else? Oh, I know this. This is halva. Havla? It's havla, right? Havla. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. I'm getting too fat if I eat it. May I try one? This one? May I try?
Yes.
Yeah, may I try? What is this?
This is that in chocolate. This in chocolate.
Okay, give me also 100 gram. 100 gram? It's nice. Do you have a smaller package? Smaller? No, right? It's too much.
This costs 150 dinars.
Imate male,
Yeah, a smaller one. It's too much.
yeah.
Smaller package.
Ovo je veće, imate ne? Može gram, 100 gram, može?
Yes.
100 gram you can get like
Yeah?
50, 50 gram, može? Može. Like you can
I can get smaller one like this. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I take 100 gram from this. 100 gram.
150. No, just a moment.
Like, give me half of it. Half of it.
Half of
Half? Is it okay? Perfect. Thank you. I know this from Bosnia. Bosnian.
no.
Different?
Serbia.
It's Serbia. Also, the Bosnians stole it. They stole it. All right. Germany. Germany, my friend. Hello. Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. 260 dinars.
All right. Thank you so much. Rest is for you. Rest is for you.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Much.
Yeah, it's for you the rest. It's for you the rest.
Okay.
So you. All right. All right. Have a nice day, my friend.
Thank you.
No problem. See you next time.
Okay.
Bye bye. Stravo.
Ćao, gdje si ti?
What?
No, nema te.
I don't speak. Hi. Hallöchen. Hey. How are you? Do you speak a little bit English? Little bit?
No,
No? Ah.
samo ruski.
No. Only German. German. Can you give me this one here?
400 dinara.
400 dinar?
Yes.
400? Yeah. Give me this.
Ćao, Mariću, gdje si bre? Dobro si se sjetio da dođeš. Gdje mi je drug? Pozdravi ga, puno. Evo, hvala.
Thank you. 500. 500, please.
Ne,
500.
100 dinara.
Yeah. The rest is for you. 500 for you. All right?
Ne. Vidi kako mi je fino, bio je pre neku godinu. I sjetio se. Evo, ljubavi.
Thank you so much.
Ne.
Yes.
Ne.
Why not?
Čekaj.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Ćao, sve najbolje.
Zdravo. How are you? Do you speak English? Little English? No English?
Ne znam.
Ah, okay.
Ne znam šta.
Give me
Gremi
a few.
jajdara.
Yes. All right. Thank you so much.
40 dinara.
Can you show me?
Pola kile, 40.
I actually don't know, but wait, I don't know how much.
A imaš manje nešto, sitnije.
Smaller?
To.
How much do I owe you? Keep the rest. The rest is for you. This is for you.
I zdravlje pojedete.
No problem. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Zdravo. I don't speak your English, but do you speak English? No. Okay.
No,
What is this? Yeah, I know what it is. Yeah. Give me one of this.
200 dinara.
Twist. Okay. Yeah. I don't know.
Ne. Do? Hoćeš ovo?
Is this a price here? No, not price, right?
Ne, 200.
200.
Ovo.
200. Yeah. All right.
Eto.
Mhm.
Pa isto svi da.
Mhm. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hvala lepo, veli, thank you.
Wait. Give me.
Hvala puno.
See you next time. Bye. So I guess that's it. There's no more market here. Okay, now as always we have to find somebody where we can give this stuff to. On my way here I didn't find anybody who looks like a homeless person. I only know one place where I definitely find homeless people in this tunnel like last time. I will try to go there, but it's a little bit further from here. Maybe we will find somebody on the way. Let's see what happens. Hello. I don't speak your language, but I have food for you. For you? Food? Look.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Everything for you.
Okay. Danke schön.
Bitteschön.
Danke.
Deutsch?
Ich spreche Deutsch.
Woher Deutsch sprechen? Woher?
Ja.
Deutschland gewesen? Waren Sie Deutsch? Bernd?
Boko.
What?
Boko und spreche Deutsch.
Ein bisschen. Okay, Poco. Poco, now I get it. Okay.
Poco,
Okay. Have a nice day, my friend. Have a nice day.
Okay.
See you next time. Bye.
See you.
Yeah. Bye. So I actually wanted to give this other person here down in this tunnel or something. But now I found a nice guy who spoke a little bit German. That was funny. So I guess I will give this other lady here some money. I only have euro. Okay. I only had big bills left. I wanted to give this lady more, but I only had like very big bills left. Yeah, I feel a little bit bad. Alright, I hope you liked this little video. I will try to find more markets to hunt in. Now, I think I will try to find something to eat. I still am very hungry. Good. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.